So we are giving me no hope feeling.
No.
Oh God, I feel it to my heart.
The next morning.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Taz So Cold. Right now we are going to drop Najee to school. In our background, so watch him. So we're gonna drop Najee at school right now. He goes to a military school, and yeah, we're gonna drop him at school. It's like maybe 2.5 hours drive. So you know, before we touch the road, let me say a prayer. Say, Father God, guide me, protect me, keep your idiot out of the road. And with most of the time we take for granted reaching back home. So let me just pray for that, right? Heavenly Father, dear God, thank you for waking us up this morning. Thank you for giving us breath, giving us life, dear Heavenly Father, dear God. I'm asking of you to bless our journey, dear God. Please guide us, protect us, allow us to come back home safely. Allow Najee to be safe at school, in his learning environment. He had a wonderful, great, successful year last year. Allow him to maintain and continue that, dear Heavenly Father. Thank you again for all you have done. In your name we pray. Amen. Alright, so we're gonna take you along for the drive, for the journey, And we're gonna talk a little bit and laugh a little bit and just enjoy the drive. Yeah man, so it looked dark one that day, you know? I like it. I like it. That look dark one that day. This can wrap up here, so? Let me see something. But me left the other mount for this anyway. Like bend over this, so. Think you can do so?
Why you put it that way, not from the back?
Yeah man. You know it can't work. Sorry. Wanna watch me I do a makeshift mount in IKEA, yeah? Hey. You turn the wrong way to right. No, sir. This is a sign I need to shake up. Oh, yo. Alright, wait. See if we can turn on. Alright, see it there. Turn around.
You're gonna be upside down.
You can't turn on.
No.
You rotate now?
I don't know, flip out that and see. Your feet.
People in this house say, yo, what you eat then? Yeah man, it did it.
It rotated.
It rotate.
Okay, so record.
Yeah man, and it clean. Zoom in. Focus. Whoa, man, yo! We're live right here, so. Let me see. It a shake up. Shake up, brother. Yeah man, and it clean. Zoom in a little bit. Focus. Whoa, man, yo! We're live right here, so. Let me see. It a shake up. It a shake up, brother. Yeah, so only when we stop it go make sense. Watch it. So it's normal, just the same. I know, so that one there record too. I see what I do. This is now way. About that. Alright. So I can turn this one here, so. What do you think? And catch it front view. What do you think? So the people them can come along for the drive. Normal pre. Alright, the light up on the red, brother. So yo, what you say? What going on now? So Najee? You're going now. So what you can hear me, man? As the journey start, you start nyam. Give me peace. Please. Stop yeah man, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. We're going for share. It's sweet man.
You're not getting no more.
You want more, please?
No.
It's sweet man, you want more, please? No?
No. I do you want one?
For real?
What is the plum?
Plum.
Thank God. Oh, okay.
It's sweet man. Well, yeah man. So Najee, tell the people them a story about what's your worst experience having a disagreement with me? With me. One experience you never forget, and what you do? What did you do that lead up to the activity, and what activity took place?
Maybe they would post now they tell me
Look, not how they sitting there on camera and beat you with words. People gonna lock me up. What was your work experience?
The only thing I can remember right now is when I was in New York. When I was going to school in New York, I was in middle school, like seventh or no. Wasn't even middle school. It was I was in middle school. I was in sixth grade, I think. And it was me and a couple of my friends who was running around in the cafeteria. We was playing in the cafeteria, and then I had tripped and fell in the cafeteria, and one of the teachers started laughing at me. And I took one of my juice boxes and I threw it at her. It even hit her. But and then she called her. She called you.
You're in PSC? But go on, get the story. Run the story.
And then she called you. And then I think that was probably
The worst one.
Yeah.
But tell the people they want me to do. Alright, yeah, box shuffle. Me tell the people they want me to do. After me get the phone call, oh, you need to come to the school because your son is disrespectful, da 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 da. I say, alright, say less. I come at the school, I sit down with the teacher explained to me what happened. That time waterworks started ready for me show up, you know. I asked the teacher what happened. The teacher tell me, say, you know, it was misbehaving, da 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 da. Tell me the full story. I say, alright. I said, don't worry, I'm going to fix this right now. I want Jamaican teacher to, you know. No, she's not Jamaican, she's from the Caribbean though. I said, don't worry, I'm going to fix it right away. I said, is there any, is there any room that is private right now? No camera, no nothing. She said, yes, in the cafeteria right there. I said, oh, okay, I'm going to fix it for you. I said, come here, son. When he come out back, that walk straight so. I am so sorry, miss. Me fixing business, man. Me and one of them parents, they will go blow the corner. When you're wrong, you're wrong. Me and one of them parents, they will go back you when you're wrong. Nope. When you're wrong, you're wrong. When you're right, you're double right. Me will back you to the end. But when you're wrong, you're wrong. That's why I try to teach my son, I try to teach Najee, I say, hey, listen, try to be on the right side at all times. So you can have my backing. You can have me backing you at all times. Try to be on the right side at all times. I know say you're young, I know say you're going to try some things, because when we did young, we did try things too. That's why when you are try things and I try use your brain and say, oh, me can get round by you. Now work, brother.
When the time is right and he has his own children, he
can go understand, he can go say, boy, I see him foolish me, they tried my father and he catch me, you know. And go say, they see him foolish me, they tried my father and he catch me and he bust me ass. So here I go happen now. Me I go bust your ass. Yo. Yeah, man, because I see them foolish in me chair with my mother, and my mother bust me ass. You understand? That daddy never did it, you know. Daddy never did it. I mean, him never present. So all of the bus ass I may get, and mommy bus ass, yeah? I may get some decent bus ass. Hey, what? We get licked till be blue, no, man.
Bad.
And a bad, me did bad. And a bad, me did bad. Me just did hard, yes.
Still.
Hey, I remember one time, you know, mommy said me go buy. She said me go buy some meat for cook dinner Saturday. And we out the door and we are playing, you know, man, and we are run up and down, you know. And mommy called me and me said, alright. Mommy said, Junior, do not ride the bicycle. Walk one because I walk in distance. So mommy said, walk one and come back. Hey! Why pop tick pushing her ears, man? Me not listen.
I think you should explain what that means.
Pop tick pushing her ears?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Well, alright, when me say pop tick pushing her ears, alright. Break a stick, put in the air. Meaning, you're gonna like this. That means you're not listening. That means you're not listening to your parents. Alright, so back to the story. I'm gonna caption it. So on the way read the caption. I mean no more sound and I'm gonna understand what I say. Anyway, boom. Back to the story. Pop tick pushing on my ears. Jump on the bicycle down the hill. Hey! This friend, this youth, not even friend, because if my friend he would make me chip up. This this youth, he had a donkey. So he stretched the donkey rope across the road. So me in a panic, hold the brake, the bicycle start. It's alright. I said, alright, at least me go grab the donkey rope when we reach close. And you know, maybe me might not get as much hurt. When we reach close, the man do so with the donkey rope. Let it go. So nothing for me hold on pan, nothing. Hey! So no donkey rope, no bicycle handle, because the bicycle already under my foot. So all me see is the asphalt. The asphalt looking up on me and say, hello sir, come. Come for this bus. Eh? Hey, when me hit the asphalt in the man, look, you see this in my head, that's all? Bus up in the man. In my head, right? That's all. Bus up. Head bus up. Alright, feel say all is well. Put on the money, because I don't remember where we put the money. Put on the money. People them come and wash off the blood. Me I say, Kenton, because I Kenton in name. I hope you watch this Kenton. Kenton, you really make the donkey rope chip me up, my youth. What make you do it? And them I laugh. I say, alright, walk back to my mother. My mother said me I come blood up, no meat, and the bicycle me I pull. My mother a nurse, so my mother stitch it up for me. Mommy stitch it up. Give me a dose of ass and panic. Can't even tell me not to ride the bicycle. So after I stitch up the bus head and me bruise up, me still get lick. Now after the lick, Mommy turned to me and said, Junior, where's the money? Camera get hot. Mommy said, Junior, that's really nice son. Mommy said, Junior, where is the money? Where is the money for the meat for dinner? I said, Mommy, I don't know. Mommy said, go back, go find the money and buy the meat. Because I don't listen your figure do. And if you never had this wouldn't happen to you. Luckily the money did same place because me don't know if I threw a pure blood the right which one me put on the money, me find back the money. Me end up having to buy the meat. That was one of them. Why oh boy, me get licked till me
Cut. You're a troublemaker.
Nah man, me don't get no lick for them I cut.
But you're a troublemaker.
No, a gun war me play with me at school, you know. Robber, yeah, robber and thief.
Oh my
Police
gosh.
and police and thief.
Cops and robbers.
Cops and robbers. American call it cops and robbers. And that way I play. So me when the police me run off and they put the thief. And me say, pew, pew, you're dead. And he said, no, I'm not dead, I'm gonna run him down. And in the past when me run, a bad boy
Oh my gosh.
bad boy go so. Me never see when him do so and go under the bad boy, me not do so. I cheat in the bad boy and run see there. Bloop flat on me back. And that's how he comes in for a long time tea fast. You know? Me don't remember his name. Me don't remember his name. Who me did that play, but I hope so he didn't turn thief. And if he went on thief, he would have fast. But I will leave me go through. What's your worst one? Tell me one.
Me?
Yeah man, tell me the time when your father grab you in your back and draw you over the fence. Tell me that time there man. Tell the people any time. When you got a match and about your father friend, I turn up and watch people fight. Like you expect it.
I was in the fight.
You wasn't right. You got a match. But you got a match. Figure do.
Alright guys, it was great.
After me show. We not sign off yet.
No. Hey, my father give me some lick here.
You get licked too?
What? Remember when you kick out the bathroom door? I said, I build this shit, I kick this shit down.
Yes. Remember that?
No,
You didn't tell me that one time. Boy, you're gonna run out the man phone bill. And here what you do? You out you. Boy, oh boy. You wanna know what she do? She a call man for other woman, for her friend them. So the friend call she and then she join the call. So she are the middleman. That's why the middleman. You get licked for middleman. Run up the people and phone bill.
Hide the phone bill.
And turn around hide the phone bill like say if he said the bill go pay by itself. It go pay by itself and it go disappear. So if the bill not pay, phone cut off. That they got phone company go find out what really take place.
Yeah,
me a big police officer. Me, my phone bill can't cut off. Crazy brown suit. Nah man. Phone bill can't cut off. Check it out. You check it out.
A whole printout.
Get a whole printout. Call some of the people. Hello, sir.
Do you know shit?
Do you know? No. Do you know? Lick. They bleep it. Lick. Lick. Run guy in the bathroom and hide. Father said, hello sir. Hello mom. I build this shit. I kick this down. Like he didn't believe right now the door still there upon him set so. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try and get a picture of that door there.
No.
I don't know. I have to look at mommy and say if the door still there upon him. So mommy sent me a picture. I said mommy sent me a picture.
I was about to pee myself.
You was about or you did? You was about or you did?
Take the door down. This man said, I build this shit, I'll kick this shit down. Bloop!
Yeah,
I
man.
said, oh, yo. The next day when I went to school, couldn't walk. Foot wheel up.
Yes, man. That's why I believe in them type of punishment there.
He used to have a belt that he used to put in the drawer, but he used to soak it so it become heavy. And they call it the snake.
Yes, man. I believe in them type of.
Touch your leg?
Me believe in them type of. Let me tell you what me believe in. What me strongly believe in as a parent. And even though times change, but me still kind of old school. Me believe in the people who you trust to teach your kids and to look after your kids. Them supposed to can discipline your child to a level. When I say take Brock, lick him down, you know. But at least say, yo, you know you're not supposed to do that, you know. And more you know say missy, say you do wrong, so I go call your father. Look out for one another, look out for the children. That's why you have so much young kids, 15 and 16 and 17, 13-year-old on the street with illegal gun and I do foolishness.
I remember the days when you're older folks, you have to call them auntie, uncle,
Yeah,
Miss May, Brother Brown, Mr.
man.
This. It
Yeah,
was
man.
never the first name.
No, sir. Your
Crazy?
man, you can't sit somebody and go tell
John.
John, yeah, who your
Your
bride?
Your parents slapping you on your mouth.
Your bride, who you call John? May your size?
Right.
You can size up, you probably get a box. And if you go man, if you lip with a bus and you go man say John box me. Nobody feel like say mommy or daddy I go big and tough and go John and say, yo John, where you box me picnic for right? No. The question go be, what you do make John have to box you? And you see when you go say, me see him and me go say, good evening John, you go get a next box for the next jar. That's what the Bible says, turn the next jar. Hey, one next time again, right? Show you how me get licked enough.
Exactly.
But it made me into the man I am right now.
Still stubborn.
No, trying to raise a good man like myself.
2 peas not bad. Stop and burn.
No, sir. If I laugh, I pop up. But one next time, right? One next time, you see how me hear them a pitting a chat to for them parents and something. One next time, we outside that play, cause me always outside that play, always. Mommy call me again, shopping and send me again. Junior go buy something for we cook. I remember, no, she was cooking. She started cooking and like she not have coconut milk or something, and she sent me go buy. She called me. And when she called me and sent me go buy it, whatever. Then time you don't even need money to go shopping, you know. Because me not even pick up no money or nothing. Me just go at the shop, me say, hey Miss Mabel, mommy send me. Mommy send me for. Yeah, you trust when the big people say, because you know, put in the hand of money as such. Big people, you know, in pay back. We did have one shop, Miss Mabel did have a shop. Grass the free. So, mommy send me go Miss Mabel to go get something. I remember I say coconut milk or something. Me go do that. That what me just do? Hey! Mommy turn arm. Why name in Avengers? You know? Captain America. Mommy turn Captain America with the Dutch cover pot. The pot cover. Hey, when the lick, when the pot cover connecting at the door, you know, man. If that may ever lick me in the mountain there, you know? Because I kiss teeth, you feel have manners. Hey, when me come back in, man, me not care go give me, no. Me put it down for the counter. But me not see me back for the rest of the evening, brother. And the old people there, they don't have rice on the hat. Why? Let me explain it to you what I mean by them don't have rice on the hat. Them not beating you on the spot. So when you run and think to say, all is good, all is forgotten, when you're in your bed, under the sheet, you only feel when the sheet peel back so.
Yep, and the wind.
You only feel when the sheet peel. And you only hear, you remember when, and then every word after when is a lick. You remember when me did that you and you run away and no come back. You
every syllable, not word.
Hear every word. You feel, and when and so one time I think they do on purpose, they don't stammer none at all. But then find one word where they stuck on for about 5 or 6 licks. You feel here when me talk to you. Licks, man. Them days were nice though, not tell no lie. Them days were nice.
I'll never forget when we jump over one lady car to the supermarket.
Jump over the one car?
Yes.
Where you out of that?
Yes. And mommy draw me in, you know, so you know she cussed me and she kind of embarrassed me in front of everybody. So I said, I think it done. You see me reach home?
You think it done? You think it done? Just
the woman give me a ass in. Me not forget how me looking at her eyes and me a balling and the woman a tear up my behind, you know?
legs.
That's woman.
And I play like a man and I'm balling.
What?
That time they lick them come.
I remember telling about jumping on my car stuck.
And then at that time then they want answer me.
Yeah, you lick too hard, me can't even focus.
That time then they want, yeah, that time then they want the button lick. Yesterday button lick.
Oh my god.
And then they want you to answer them, you know. Man. Oh yeah, I moved to my dragon fruit, sir.
Yeah, we all want this.
So yeah, give me one, no how to peel it.
No.
Alright, I'm going to teach you now. Break this part up. Twist it and turn it. Alright. So you go hold this part here, so like this part go be your base. And you just hold the top part and just peel it back. Yeah, just hold it and peel it back. Yeah.
This thick skin, you know?
Thick skin. Them people are in a fast lane, you see, and now go fast.
It's messy.
It is kind of, it's juicy. It's full of juice. I know my way up until a certain point. When I reach a point there.
It's on the seats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's bad that I didn't repeat the rest. But when you sit there and do it later, no act surprised. Act normal.
So when we go by, you have a peel it back.
How's the seat? The seat is crunchy like it's like potato chips.
It's gross.
It's not gross, it's sweet.
I mean, it's sweet, yeah, but
Just.
it's so weird. It's kind of weird.
Did you ever see Ned do
That's what I only took one bite, so I'm thinking,
no better.
Dragon fruit.
it's not bad.
The red one?
Yeah.
The red one, is sweeter. The red one kind of more honey. You don't want no more? You want more? Yeah?
I just wanted to try it. I'll stick to my grapes and stuff. I'll try the exotic fruits. I'll always go into strawberry, watermelon.
I'm stripping them. Yeah.
You want me to put in that?
Yes, please.
Anything can reach somewhere in a regional way.
I don't know if there are no more napkins. One more hand, please. Thank you.
That's not my
I just see them. I just see them wet piece you give me. I just see them wet piece. Me never find a dry part. No, it's alright. Thank you. Alright, so when we think we reach somewhere, we don't reach now halfway. We check in back when we reach a little bit further.
In the country.
In the country. Yo, people. They come with this zoom in. Why, people? We reach at the school and we drop off Najee and a piece of rain start. We not even get to left the school, but we not left the school yet. A piece of rain. You know you can't see through the window there, so. But it have come down like, well, it was coming down. You have to pull over on top, brother. The rain is not normal. heel all type of thing. Right now the whole of the car probably dent up. Pure heel. So anyway, we'll take on back the road right now. We'll take on back the road and do so down. Alright, so how we do it? Shirt wet enough. Turn down this brother. It's cold.
Continue on Alabama 50 east for 30 miles.
Something happen up there, so people, I don't know how. It's a police car up there. And the ambulance. Everybody are turning around, right? I may have to go drive up and let me drive up and let me see if the GPS send me somewhere else.